In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video or audio file to Otter AI and generate a transcript from it. This is a simple process and it's a great way to turn spoken content into readable text in just a few minutes. Before you begin, make sure your media file has already been exported in a format that Otter AI supports. Common supported formats include MP4 and MOV for video and MP3 or WAV for audio. If your file is still inside a video editor or recording app, go ahead and export it first so it's saved and ready to upload from your device. Once your file is prepared, open your web browser and go to otter.ai. After the page loads and you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the import button. This is the option you'll use to bring an existing media file into your Otter workspace for transcription. Click Import to continue. Next, locate the file you want to transcribe on your computer. You can drag and drop that file directly into the upload zone that appears on the screen. This is usually the quickest method, and it helps speed up the workflow, especially if you already know where your file is saved. Make sure you drop the correct file into the upload area, then allow the upload to begin. After that, all you need to do is wait while Otter processes the file. The processing time can vary depending on the file size, the length of the recording, and your internet speed, so don't worry if it takes a little while. During this stage, Otter is analyzing the audio and converting the spoken words into text. Once the processing is complete, you'll see a newly created file appear in your Otter account. Click on that file to open it and view the full transcript. From there, you can read through the transcription, review the text, and use it however you need for notes, captions, summaries, or documentation. If you want the best possible transcription results, it helps to upload a file with clear audio and minimal background noise. That can make a big difference in accuracy. And that's it. That's how to upload a supported media file to Otter.ai and access the full transcript quickly and easily.